सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी, माई सेल्फ आचार्य विश्वेंद्र। आज कुछ अनसॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन शेयर करूँगा आपसे। सो इट्स अ मास्टर क्वेश्चन सीरीज बेस्ड ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ प्रोजेक्टाइल ऑन इंक्लाइंड प्लेन। तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं, आपको एक इंक्लाइंड प्लेन दिया हुआ है जो कि अल्फा एंगल पे इंक्लाइंड है, और यहाँ से आपने थीटा एंगल पे किसी बॉडी को प्रोजेक्ट किया एंड इट मूव्स टू द पॉइंट सी। तो इसी के रिगार्डिंग कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं। यहाँ पे एक्स एक्सिस अलोंग द इंक्लाइन है, वाई एक्सिस उसके परपेंडिकुलर है जैसे कि दिया गया। तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको फाइंड करने, जैसे फर्स्ट है इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अलोंग वाई एक्सिस, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज एक्सेलरेशन अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, fourth question is acceleration along y-axis, fifth question is initial tangential acceleration, sixth question is initial normal acceleration, seventh question is tangential acceleration constant, eighth question is normal acceleration constant, ninth is time taken to move from A to B, 10th question is time taken to move from B to C, 11th is time taken to move from A to C, 12th is a capital H, 13th is R1, 14th is R2, 15th is R, 16th is conditions for Rmax, 17th is angle beta, 18th is V, 19th is V is equals to U, 20th is Y, 21st is maximum vertical height of projectile from A। इसके बाद ही रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन जिसमें डायरेक्शन ऊपर से नीचे है, सेम प्रोजेक्टाइल है बट डायरेक्शन हमने इन्वर्ट कर दिया। एंड यू नीड टू टेल इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, देन इज इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अलोंग वाई एक्सिस, देन इज इनिशियल एक्सेलरेशन अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, नेक्स्ट इज इनिशियल एक्सेलरेशन अलोंग वाई एक्सिस, नेक्स्ट इज रेंज R1, नेक्स्ट इज R2, next is R, next is conditions for Rmax, and at the last we have Rmax. So this is a part of master question series which is developed with the vision so that students can decode the pattern of questions asked in JEE NEET, because nowadays information is available, teachers are available everywhere, plenty of teachers are there. So in such a competitive environment you need to choose the best optimal option, and the best optimal option is, suppose you study from any teacher, the output is through the retention, that how many information, how many questions you are able to retain, and what is contribution of that studying towards your exam. So these video series are just made for students who are seriously aspiring to crack competitive exams, because if you are not able to crack any exam, there is no purpose of studying. So assuming that you are studying with the vision to crack JEE NEET or any other competitive exams, so these questions are designed to actually develop your thinking process along problem solving skills. Challenge here is that when you start working on physics especially, it may be in NEET or it may be in JEE, your thinking process is not perfectly designed, it's not optimized. Sometimes you think like visualizing is sufficient to crack exams, sometimes you think this, sometimes you think that. So it's very necessary to check your preparation with a another source or through a parallel source which is not the part of your regular coaching system, as most of the serious students today are enrolled in one coaching institute or the other. But the thing is that in those coaching systems or in any coaching system, there are repeated patterns. The same type of questions are discussed in the class, same types are asked in the doubt section, and same type in the test itself. But to check your preparation at a global level, you need to cross check through different patterns. So these master series questions are developed with the purpose to explore multiple permutation and combination based questions to you, so that you don't mug up the solution only, you don't know how to solve a particular number of questions, but your mind brain system is strong enough to analyze any situation and can apply the concepts over there. So master questions are designed to develop your thinking process, and we have tried our best to give you a number of questions based on a limited time. so that you can actually work on your problem solving skills and can visualize and analyze your actual preparation. In the next videos we'll be discussing the solutions, but here there are 30 questions, and I think in these questions you should take just like 20 to 25 minutes is more than sufficient for them. So give it your best try.